Hello there, welcome back to grade 10 geography. So in this video we're going to look at a question paper of November 2024, paper 1. Within the context of this video, we are going to present to you the question paper and the marking guideline. So we are going to show you the answer, the questions and the answers to the questions. So this is all what we're going to do according to this video. So let's take note, more question papers are going to be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned and let's subscribe. Let's turn on the notification button so that when we post more videos in terms of our question papers, we are going to be notified. So let's not forget to subscribe and share the video to all our colleagues who are doing grade 10 geography. So as for this video, we are going to start on the instructions and information. So these are the instructions and information according to our question paper. We have got instruction number 1 or information number 1, whereby it reads this question paper consists of two sections. We've got section A, whereby we've got question 1 and 2. Question 1 is the atmosphere, 60 marks. Question 2 is geomorphology, 60 marks again. Then on section B, we've got question 3 on geographical skills and techniques, 30 marks. So you have to answer all three questions according to information number 2. Very important. No optional questions. You answer all the questions that are in the question paper. So we go to the first question that we have in the question paper, or section A, which is the atmosphere and geomorphology. We have got the atmosphere in particular according to our question 1. So this is the question that we have. Of course, the question reads, refer to the sketch below showing the water cycle. Choose from evaporation, condensation, or precipitation to match the descriptions below. Write only the correct answer next to the question number. So this is what we have. So we have got our question 1.1 to 1.1.5. So going to our responses in terms of that part. So we can present the part that we have as well. These are the questions that we have. So in terms of our marking guideline, we refer to the answers for that part. So this is what we have on that part. So basically this is what we have for our responses for 1.1.1 to 1.1%. So moving on to the next part, which is now our question 1.2. So this is what we have in terms of 1.2, and then of course the responses to that possible answers, we have them on our marking guideline from 1.2.1 going down to 1.2.8. So going to the next part, which is now 1.3. So 1.3 reads, refer to the graph below showing how temperature changes with height between the different layers of the atmosphere. Of course, we've got 1.3.1, define the concept atmosphere. and then 1.3.2 you have to choose the correct weight from those given in brackets, and that describes the temperature pattern. So in terms of our responses, of course, we've got 1.3.1 on our marking guideline going down to 1.3.6. So moving on to question 1.4. So question 1.4, you have to refer to the extract on global warming. So the heading of the extract reads, due to climate change and the country's rainfall patterns have become more erratic, leading to flash floods and water scarcity in some areas. So on the question, we have to read the information that we have, then we attempt the questions. So moving on to question 1.5, which is refer to the sketches below on types of rainfall and synoptic weather map. So moving on to the next part, which is now our question 2. So question 2 is on geomorphology. You have to refer to the sketches below, which shows different types of folding. Complete the statement in column A with the options in column B. Write only Y or Z to the question number. So of course, we have got questions that we have from 2.1.1 going down. So in terms of our possible answers, we have them on in our marking guideline from 2.1.1 to 2.1.8. Of course, with a continuation to question 2.2. So going to the next question, which is 2.2. So 2.2 reads various options are provided to answer the following questions. Choose the answer and write only the letter A to D next to the question numbers. We were 2.2.1 to 2.2.7. So 2.4, you have to refer to the extract in a map of South Africa below based on an earthquake. So of course you need to go through information given before you attempt the questions. So this is the end of our section A. So going to section B, we have got a question on geographical skills and techniques. Of course, you've got information that you need to go through before you answer the question. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Thank you for coming on board. Let's meet again in the next video. More question papers are going to be uploaded. Let's stay tuned.